over everything we need to make sure that you are all ready. Okay? We need cornstarch. Look, I put it in a big bowl because it's easier for me to take scoops from here to measure. Then I have a jug with water. I have this little thing to measure the water and the corn flour. You can use a cup or a glass or a spoon, up to you. And I have food coloring. I have red and green. I haven't chosen my color yet. Do you all have everything? Do you all know what Ooblek is? Look, this is Ooblek. It is like slime. Look at this. Ooh. So we are going to make our own one. For that, we need 1 portion, 1 cup or 1 spoon or 1 glass of water. Do you have your water? Hello, Rafael. You see? I have 1 here, 1 ready. And well done. I'm going to put it in my mixing tray. Are you ready with the water? Is the water ready? Now we need 2 of the same measure. You see, I'm going to use the same kind. You can use the same cup or glass that you use. 2 of corn flour. I'm taking it from here. I have 1. And 2. And now you use your hands to mix it. We mix it and mix it. It's going to be a bit tricky. It's hard sometimes. If you think it needs some more water, you can add a little bit more water. If it's very, very, very watery, you can put some more flour. Look, mine. I'm going to put some red, I think. You just need a little drop. It's always tricky to open this. It happened the same with the eggs. Here you go. Mine is going to be red. Aha, look at this. Well, it didn't come red, but it's very nice pale pink. It's very interesting because it's liquid, as we can see. See? But you can also make a ball with it, like this. Let's see. I'm making a nice ball, you see? And if I... Let's do this again. I take some oobleck. I take some oobleck in my hand. I make a ball. And then you can experiment. You can put more water, more cornstarch, and see what happens. But I'm going to show you another one that I made that is a bit different, and it's stretchy. Look at this. But you use the same measure. 1 cup, 1 portion of the hand wash of the dishwashing liquid, and 2 of corn flour, and then you get this very nice, completely different slime. You see? Very stretchy. Ooh. Awesome. See you next week.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.